Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best shoe repair patch is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for anyone looking to extend the life of their favorite footwear, offering a quick and cost-effective solution to common wear and tear, from worn-out heels and torn linings to scuffed toes, saving you money and keeping your beloved shoes looking great and feeling comfortable for much longer without the need for expensive professional repairs. Number 5. Soft Sole Original Shoe Glue. Tired of worn-out shoes? This clear shoe repair glue offers a superior bond, stronger than typical adhesives. It expertly repairs and seals soles and heels, giving your favorite footwear a new lease on life. Don't wait days for repairs. This solution dries fast, sealing on contact to permanently fix worn rubber soles, damaged heels, and small holes. Most materials are ready within 24 hours. It forms a protective coating, perfect for patching small holes and prolonging the life of your shoes and gear. This product bonds, protects, and rebuilds for a truly permanent repair. No need for multiple glues, this versatile solution works on most materials. You can effectively use it on leather, rubber, vinyl, and canvas, making it your go-to DIY repair tool. Protect your footwear from the elements. It forms a durable, waterproof seal that prevents water penetration, extending the life of your shoes, including galoshes and rubber boots. Its strong adhesive and tackiness offer more than just repairs. This fast-drying cement can also provide extra traction, even for items like skateboards. One long-lasting 3.7 fluid ounces tube provides plenty of adhesive for multiple repairs. It's a durable and economical solution, offering great value for all your shoe and gear mending needs. What we like. This product offers a superior, waterproof bond that dries quickly. If you need a versatile solution for various materials like leather or canvas, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for extending the life of your favorite shoes and even adding traction. What people say. No positive review details found in a provided source. No positive review details found in a provided source. Number 4. Gear Aid Aquaseal SR Shoe Repair Adhesive. Don't let worn-out shoes slow you down. This powerful adhesive offers a simple solution to repair and restore your favorite footwear, ensuring they last longer. Crafted from a robust urethane, it creates permanent bonds on soles and heels. Once dry, it forms a clear, flexible rubber that resists peeling and cracking. Easily rebuild worn heels or create protective toe caps on work boots. This glue is not only abrasion resistant but also completely waterproof, keeping your feet dry. Whether you have leather, suede, rubber, or even Gore-Tex, this product adheres to a wide range of materials. It's the versatile repair solution your shoe collection needs. Gear Aid is committed to helping you preserve and renew your gear. With this product, you can confidently fix holes, reattach soles, and ensure your equipment is ready for any adventure. What we like. This urethane-based adhesive creates a durable, flexible repair that won't peel or crack. If you're looking to rebuild worn heels or create protective toe caps on heavy-duty footwear, this is your go-to. Its abrasion resistance makes it ideal for active use. What people say. Number 3. Adhesive Shoe Heel Repair Patches. Are your favorite sneakers showing signs of wear and tear, especially around the heels? Don't let small holes ruin your comfortable shoes. It offers a simple, effective solution. These patches are designed to fix those common heel issues quickly and easily. These are adhesive patches specifically made for the inside of your shoes. They provide a durable repair for sneaker holes and worn areas. Each pack comes with 4 pairs, giving you enough to repair multiple shoes or have spares on hand. They are ready to use right out of the box. Restore comfort and extend the life of your footwear with these convenient pads. Keep your sneakers looking and feeling great for longer. What we like. This product provides convenient pre-cut patches specifically for heel holes. If you have existing damage inside your sneakers' heels, these self-adhesive pads offer a quick fix. They are designed for easy application to cover and repair worn areas. What people say. Number 2. Boyiee Shoe Heel Repair Patch. Don't let damaged shoe heels ruin your favorite footwear. This innovative solution is here to save your sneakers and trainers from wear and tear. Introducing the Boyiee Shoe Heel Repair Patch. This convenient pack includes 8 pairs, providing ample supply for multiple shoes. Applying them is incredibly simple thanks to their self-adhesive backing. Just peel and stick for an instant fix. They effectively repair existing holes and prevent new ones from forming. Keep your shoes looking newer for longer. Designed for versatility, they work with most types of shoes. Plus, with large and small sizes included, you'll find the perfect fit. What we like. Offering a generous 8 pairs in both large and small sizes, this product is great for both repair and prevention. If you want to prevent new holes or fix existing ones in various shoe types, this kit provides flexibility. It's a practical choice for maintaining multiple pairs of trainers. What people say. Number 1. Sneaker Heel Repair Patch Kit. Are your beloved shoes showing signs of wear and tear, especially in the heel area? This kit provides an easy solution to bring them back to life. It's designed to repair existing holes and prevent new ones from forming. These patches offer a durable barrier against everyday wear. Applying them is quick and straightforward, giving your footwear a seamless repair. You'll be amazed at how easily they blend in. Whether you own sneakers, leather shoes, or high heels, this kit is suitable for all. It provides targeted protection where you need it most. By addressing wear and tear proactively, they help significantly extend the life of your footwear. Keep your shoes looking newer for longer with this simple addition. Each package contains 12 pairs, ensuring you have ample supply for multiple repairs or preventative applications. It's a comprehensive solution for your entire shoe collection. What we like. This extensive kit provides 12 pairs, making it a highly economical option for frequent use. If you need a bulk solution for wear prevention across different shoe types, including sneakers, leather shoes, and even high heels, this is perfect. It's designed to extend the life of many shoes in your wardrobe. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.